Folks, Ben here with Pierre Driving School, covering a lesson today. We have a lesson in this driving school here. We cover all things driving. Okay, so if you do have any question regarding driving related, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video coming from. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Until then, here, let's continue with our left and right observation and see things that we supposed to do as not only driving to pick up some skills and also preparing ourselves if there's any road test to take, so you will be well off going doing that. All right, any question, put in the comment below. Let's continue to drive here. This Ben. If we met for the first time, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School here. As you're driving, you have to make sure that you can see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground. Otherwise, you'll be driving too closely. We don't have to drive close. We have to make sure that we can see the tire of the car in front of us on the ground. Those are things that we don't need while we're driving. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Right shoulder right, fall to the closest right lane. Right turn here again. Move right shoulder right, and we continue to drive. Always forward planning all your moves. Car double park on my right side. I'm going to move over to the left. Mirror left, shoulder left, and move over. We're crossing, the traffic in front of me is red, so I stop and let them clear. It's not an obligation, just being courteous. You're all right, shoulder right, and let's go around. Oh, traffic backed up. So what's going on here? Falling back here because you don't want to get caught up in the traffic. Right turn here. You're all right, shoulder right. See guys, I'm taking the right turn. Reason why? You do not want to back stand, and that crosswalk. You can't do that. It's not good. It's not good practice. You know. I do not want to go this direction. Either I do that or I would have to fall back, and I was already in the middle of the street. That was not good to do. Making the left turn here, taking a detour, cross traffic as the right of way. Cross traffic as the right of way for the purpose of road test. Real life, I would have been gunned by my business. Guys flying behind me. Your left, shoulder left. I made a right turn, so I could have cleared that intersection back there, so the big truck could have gone around me. At the light coming up here, we're making a left turn. Left turn, cross traffic as the right of way. Cross traffic as the right of way. Your left shoulder left and go with the turn. Whatever you do, control if I'm going straight, you must signal all your attention and bring it back the same way back. At the light, right turn. This is the route that I wanted to go eventually, but since the traffic was backed up, I had to stay on the backs. I didn't want to do that. I detouring so I can come over here. Some people, they will block the street. We don't need all this extracurricular activity. We just go ahead and make sure that we unblock that crosswalk. Heavy traffic driving lesson here in Brooklyn. Traffic is heavy. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. I'll make that turn all the way in the left lane. Reason why? Because I want to make it the left turn. Otherwise, I should make that turn on my right lane and move over to the left, because I wanted to do. But the traffic is so heavy, it's not going to allow me to make this left turn here. I would have to make another detour. What can we do? Never do anything that you're not sure of is safe for you to do, because of the traffic that behind you is honking at you. And the event anything were to happen, you're gonna stuck with the trouble, and the people behind you are gonna continue to go, and you're gonna have to deal with the consequences. All right? You do what is safe and right for you to do, not what anybody else wants you to do, because you can free their way for them to come at your stop. They still would have stopped. All right? So it's all about what's safe for you to do. So this guy behind me here, that's the guy that was honking. That's the person that was honking. Okay? We do not operate that way. We do what is safe for us and right for us to do. But like I always said in real life, you can do whatever you want to do. But for the real test, you have to do what you have to do. heavy traffic in Brooklyn, New York. This time of day, traffic is heavy. My car could tilt a little bit to the right, just not a good practice, but I did it anyway. Okay, traffic is clear now. Then I take the turn. And the one that was behind me, did they take it? Oh, they did too. Surprising. Bumpy wood, I'm not gonna do anything extra that can go around me. Okay, accident here, because it's a full stop. You rather get an accident? No, I'm not. It's not worth it. Cars moving in my right side, pay attention all the way. Double park car on my right, going to the left with the foot cover and the brake. Folks, if we're new here, consider to subscribe to this video with Pierre Driving School. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Take care now. Bye-bye.